This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to fix issues with Roblox not launching. Whether you're encountering error messages or the game simply won't start, these steps will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. So, let's get started. So first, click on the search bar, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Now, type add or remove, or at least type the add keyword only. The Add or Remove Programs option appears. Just click the Add or Remove option so that we can proceed. While we are in an App or Remove tab, scroll down until you find the Roblox app. Or you can search it by clicking the search bar and typing Roblox. Roblox appears. Just click the three dots to open the menu. The menu appears. Just click Uninstall to uninstall the Roblox app. To uninstall it, just open any web browser that is available to your PC or laptop. After you open any web browser, type www.roblox.com/download. As you can see, mine is already on the site where you can download the installer of the Roblox app. Just click the Download Windows app button to install the Roblox app. Set it up where you want to install it. And there, you have successfully fixed the problem. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Roblox not launching. Remember to check system requirements, keep your software updated, and clear the cache as part of regular maintenance. If problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!